Hello everybody, my name is Alexander. I've been teaching English for about 15 years. I got a diploma in 2002 when I graduated from the Stavropol State University. At our lessons, I use audiobooks and videos with really interesting stories. I made a lot of tasks for each story. At first, they are easy, but step by step, they are getting more and more difficult. If you don't want to do any tasks, we can talk about languages, family, friends, fashion, music, computer games, travels, health, economics, politics, sport, and other things. I can speak Spanish, I also understand German, French, and Georgian a little, and I know something about Chinese. I have a website, it has about 60 pages. So, welcome to Skype lessons and visit my website.